Good morning everybody, this is day 2 of the 12 Ice Peak Challenge and we have a bit of a river crossing. There's Pip over there, there's Oscar. I've just got to cross it. That's how I walked up again. Yes, it's exactly the same route as yesterday. We're going up that way. Because obviously when you get about 70, 80, 100 metres from the top, it all branches off to different ones. So here we go. That's it, he nearly fell over straight away. Echo, come on, come on, come on. Get in his way. Oh. Yay!
Oh, it's a bit deeper than yesterday, or a bit quicker.
Say morning.
Morning, mate. Recognise this path?
Yeah, I just pointed out this is exactly the same path we took yesterday, because when you get to about 70, 80 metres from the summit, maybe 100 metres, then it all varies off into different peaks.
Echo, come here.
So we've done, let me have a look, just under a mile. Obviously we're packed down there again, as in we've just gone through all this yesterday. And we're going up there. So yeah, I was going to take my jumper off because it's a bit warm now. So, say bye, Pip.
I just got to dry him down.
Oh.
Bye. Echo, come here.